Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to hide read receipts on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the latest web update. By turning off this setting, others won't be able to see when you've read their direct messages, giving you more control over your privacy. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on your X homepage, look at the left-hand navigation bar. There, you'll see several icons. Find and click on the one labeled More. It's represented by 3 dots in a circle. A menu will appear on your screen. From that list, click on Settings and Privacy. This will open a new window where you can manage all your account preferences, from security options to message settings. Next, select Privacy and Safety. This section is where X gives you control over how your account interacts with others and what information you share. Within Privacy and Safety, scroll down until you find a tab called Direct Messages. Click on Direct Messages, and you'll see different settings related to how you send and receive messages on X. One of the options here is called Show Read Receipts. When this switches on, people you message will be able to see when you've opened their messages. To hide that information, simply toggle off the option for Show Read Receipts. Once you disable it, that's it, your changes are saved automatically. From now on, others won't know whether you've read their messages. Keep in mind, though, you also won't be able to see read receipts from other people either. This feature works both ways, and that's how you hide read receipts on X Web using a PC. It's a simple privacy tweak that helps you manage your time and conversations without pressure to reply instantly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for watching.